Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Computer Education 2K. Okay, children. Now we will do one more array program. Okay. So let's do one more array program. Okay. Now in the year 2010, one question came in ICSE 2010 in array. Okay. So the question was like this: you have to declare 3 array. In the first array there will be 6 number. In the second array there will be 4 number. And in the third array the numbers from the first 2 array will go and store. So this is the question. You have to declare 3 array. In the first array there will be 6 numbers. In the first array you have to enter 6 numbers. In the second array you have to enter 4 numbers. And in the third array the numbers from first 2 array will go and store. Okay. So that was the question of ICSE 2010. Okay. So let's see. I will discuss from here. So I have taken here 2 variables, I and C. I for the loop and C I will say afterward. So I have taken for the loop. And I have to declare 3 array, and all 3 array are int type because we have to enter their whole numbers. So I have entered 3 array P, Q and R. P, Q and R. I have entered how many array? I have declared 3 array P, Q and R. P, you can see I have given 6 here and 4 here and an R 10. According to the question, you have to enter 6 element in the array P. So I have written int P square bracket equals to new int 6. And you have to enter 4 elements in array Q. So I have given here 4. And in third array, in array R, elements from these 2 array will go and store. You can see here I have drawn the cell array P, array Q, array R. The first array P there will be 6 cells for 6 numbers. In array Q there will be 4 cells for 4 numbers. In array R there will be 10 cells for 10 numbers, and these are index numbers of the array. Okay. So here we have declared 3 array P, Q, R. Here we have declared 3 array P, Q, R. And you have to enter numbers 6 number in array P. So I have given one message: enter any 6 element in the array P, and here I have entered 6 element in array P. And you have to enter 4 elements in array Q. So by these lines I have entered 4 element in the array Q. Okay. Now see, I am saying I have entered, but actually when you will execute the program, the computer will ask you to enter 6 number in the array P and 4 number in the array Q. Then only when you execute the program, then only you have to enter the numbers in the array in P and Q. Okay. So when till now you see, when you have finished this much, that means you have entered number in the array P and Q. Suppose I am entering number in P. Suppose you can enter any number, say 2, 4, 3, 9, 1, 6. And here also I am entering some numbers, say 11, 3, 4, 2, 50. Okay. So when you will reach here, means you have entered numbers in the array P and Q. Now your task is to transfer this 6 element from P and 4 element from Q to R. You have to transfer from here to here. But according to question, you have to transfer these values here first, then these values here. That means you have to transfer 6 values from P to R. You have to transfer 6 value from P to R. So first this value will come and store till here, and then only these values will come from here and will store here. So first 6 value will come and store till here, and then 4 value will come and store from here. Okay. Now to do this, what you have to do, you have to make again one loop, that is for I equals to 0, I less than equals to 9, I plus plus. You have to make a loop from 0 to 9 because you will have to transfer 10 numbers, 10 elements. That's why you have to make a loop from 0 to 9. So till 5 means 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5, numbers from P, numbers till 5 means till 5. This 5 means 0 to 5 means 6 number. This 6 number will come from P to R. That's why I have written if I less than equals to 5. That means if I is 0, I is 1, I is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till 6 number, if I is 0, means if I is 0, then this 2 will come and store here. If I is 1, I value is what? I value is this 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These values are indicating here by I. So if I is less than equals to 5, means if I is 0, then 2 will come in and store here. If I is 1, 4 will come and store here. If I is 2, 3 will come and store here. If I is 3, 9 will come and store here. If I is 4, 1 will come and store here. If I is 5, 6 will come and store here. Okay. So till 5, till I is not equals to 5, the value will come from P to R. Now I value is now this condition. After that, when I will become 6, this condition will become false. And if this condition will false, when this condition will become false, then else part will execute. And when else part is execute, I have written here R of I equals to Q of R. Means from P, all the numbers has come and stored in R from P. Now the number from Q will come. That's why I have written Q of C equals to R of I. I is now what? I is 6 now. Now I is 6 till 5. Values from P to R came. Now I is 6. Okay. Now I is 6. So R of 6 means here. Okay. So it will be R of 6. R of 6. Means here the first value of Q will come, means 11 will come. The first value of Q, that means 11 will come. Here I have given C equals to 0. You can see C equals to 0. Means R of 6. R of 6 equals to Q of 0. It means Q of 0 to R of 6. What is Q of 0 you have? Q of 0. Q of 0 you have 11. So 11 will come and store in R of 6. Then C plus plus means C will keep increasing. Now C was first time 0, next time C will be 1. So Q of 1 will be R of 7. That means 4 will come here. Then I will be 8. Then C will be 2. So C will be 2. So Q of 2. Q of 2 means 2. 2 will come and store in R of 8 here. Then C will be what? C will be 3. C will be 3 and I will be 9. So R of 9. Okay, R of 9 means this. So Q of 3 will come, then 50 will come and store here. Okay. So when this from P, when the value will come and store in R, then from Q, by using this formula, value will come and store in R. Okay, by using this formula, value will come from array Q to array R. Okay. So this way, this program will run. Okay, children? Okay. Now you will solve more program. Okay. You can solve more program from your book, from net. And if you have any problem, you can comment me in the comment section. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Computer Education 2K. Okay. See you children. Thank you.